Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here today, working with Cisco Packet Tracer again. Today we're going to be troubleshooting inter-VLAN routing issues. Our objective is to troubleshoot and resolve issues related to inter-VLAN routing. The background preparation is a small business has decided to implement VLANs and configure inter-VLAN routing on the core router to improve performance. Since the VLANs have been implemented, users have not been able to access network resources. So we're going to troubleshoot the network and fix any configuration issues. Document connectivity and configuration issues to assist in the troubleshooting if needed. So step 1 is going to be verify status of connectivity and view the current configuration. So we're going to select PC01A. Okay, we have to pull that up, and we're going to ping the default gateway address, which is 192.168.10.1. So 92.168.10.1. And it's going to time out. Alright, now that's timed out. Now we're going to ping PC2A workstation. So find PC2A right here. Go over here, go to IP configuration, ping it. Alright, I'm going to go ping. Paste that in there. It's going to time out. We have to fix the VLANs, and that's why it's going to be timing out. So, not that. Now we're going to ping PC01, PC01C, right here, desktop, IP configuration. Copy this IP. Copying and pasting the IP addresses is just much easier than we're trying to type them all in. So ping, paste. Excuse me. It's going to time out again until we are able to set up the VLANs and trunk everything together. So now that these are going to time out, we're going to view the IP configuration and note which network the PC is on. With this timeout. Alright, IP configuration. Alright, so the IP address is 10, which is the VLAN it will be on. 10 is the network it's on. So we got that. Now select PC01C. So we got PC01C selected. We're going to ping its default gateway. We're going to copy and paste the default gateway. Open the command prompt. Go ping. Paste that on there. Alright. It's going to time out. The next one it says to do is PC01A. So we're going to go right here, pull up the IP address for this and get that ready. Copy. Alright, we're going to type in ping. Alright, that's going to time out as well. Then we're going to go to PC02B. Get this IP address, copy it, wait for this to time out. Alright, ping that PC. It's going to time out again, and we're going to now we're going to go view the system settings, the configuration, and note which network this PC is on. So these are all going to time out. Alright, go to IP configuration. It's on .40 network. That one needs to go to 10 later on. So now we're going to select PC02C all the way over here. We're going to ping the default gateway again. This one as well is on a .40 network. The 10 needs to go to .40, or the .40s need to go to .10. So open the command prompt, ping the default gateway, and we got a reply from PC0 or PC02C. We got the reply from PC02C on the default gateway. Now we're going to ping PC02B. So PC02B. Let's see if we can get in. See if we can get the ping from that reply. And there's no reply. Alright. Well, that timed out now. Okay, now we got step 1 done. Step 2 is going to be to verify switch configurations and select the first floor. So we got the first floor switch open. We're going to view running configuration. Show running. Enable to get into privilege exec mode. Type in show running to show up the configuration that is currently running. Spanning tree mode. We don't want that. We're going to want trunk mode. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 24. And then right here, interface fast Ethernet 0/24 is up and going. Interface VLAN 1 shut down. That needs to be changed. Right there needs to be not shut down. Interface VLAN 1 is VLAN 10 is going. The line VTY 5 through 15 and line VTY 0 through 4, they're both set for login. Okay, line con 0. All right. Now we did that. Now we're going to note the interface settings. We noted the interface settings. We viewed the running configuration. All right. Configuration is right here, current configuration. We did that. Alright, so now we got all this done. We're going to make any changes to the switch configuration that may be necessary. So let's out of this. Alright, so we're going to make some changes here. We got to go to configuration mode. Go interface fast Ethernet, make sure you spell that right, 0/1, enter, switch port, mode, access, switch port access, VLAN 20. Alright. Alright, so we're done with that one, so we'll go exit once. There, move this out of the way for a second here. Now we're going to do this one right here, PC01A. So we'll go fast Ethernet, whoops, forgot interface. Interface fast Ethernet 0/13. Go switch port access VLAN 20. Whoop, 10. Sure I spelled that right. Alright, now that state is changed to up. So we got that one. Now we're going to have to do, let's see, we did PC1B. Alright, and we did PC1A. Okay. Alright. So now we're going to go interface fast Ethernet interface fast Ethernet. Alright, spelled that right. 0/24. Alright, then we're going to put no switch port mode access. Now that state is changed to up. Line protocol and interface fast Ethernet 0/4 is to up. Alright, now we're at 23%. Alright, so now we're going to trunk this. We're going to go interface, fast Ethernet 0/24, enter, go switch port mode trunk. Now it's trunked in there. That way they all combine, they all go into one. It's all combined into one. That's what the trunk mode does. Alright, so now we're going to go to select the second floor switch. So we got the second floor. That's going to view the running configuration. So show running. Alright, we got interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is up. These are interface settings we're looking at right now. The current configuration is 1161 bytes, version 12.2. It's spanning tree mode right now. We're going to move that to trunk mode. Switch port access VLAN 30 is what it's on. Interface 0/1. We'll be changing that. Go all the way down. Oh, interface fast Ethernet 0/13. Switch port access VLAN 10. That one will be changed. Interface fast Ethernet 0/22. Switch port mode trunk. And interface fast Ethernet 0/23 is also switch port mode trunk. Interface fast Ethernet 0/24 is switch port mode access. Interface VLAN 1, no IP address, is shut down. Line VTY 0-4 is login. Line VTY 5-15 is login. Alright, now we're going to go into conf T to go to the configuration mode, and we're going to make any changes to the switch configuration that may be necessary. So we're going to go click over here, I'll hover over PC, and see right here it says .10, so we got to put that to .10, and then the fast Ethernet is FA01, so we're going to go interface fast Ethernet 0/1, enter. Then we're going to go, wait a minute. Alright, then we're going to go type in switch port access VLAN 10, enter. Alright, so now we're going to go over here, we're going to hover over PC01C, and that's a .40, so we're going to go, well, we'll exit once to make it look better. So we're going to go interface fast Ethernet 0/24, then go switch port access VLAN 40, enter, and then we're going to trunk that. So switch port mode trunk. Alright, now those 0/24 are changed state to up, so now we got that one. Alright, so now we got that one. We're going to exit out of here and go to the third floor switch. We're going to do just like we did before. Enable, then show running. Spanning tree mode it's set up. Current configuration is 1115 bytes. Interfaces, find out what we got going on here. Alright, interface fast Ethernet 0/13, switch port access VLAN 10. We just did that one. So interface fast Ethernet 0/24, switch port access VLAN 10, switch port mode access. Okay. Interface VLAN 1, no IP address, and it's shut down. The line VTY 0-4 and VTY 5-15 set for login. Alright. Go to configuration mode. We are on the router. Or wait, I mean the PCB. We'll just start there, don't matter which one we do. I'll not click on it. Hover over it. This is .20, so that, and then the interface will be FA01. So that's right. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1, enter, and go switch port, access, VLAN, was this 20? I think it was VLAN 20. Let's go make sure. Yeah, it was 20. Enter. Trunk it. Whoops. Switch port trunk 0/24. I knew I spelled that wrong. Switch port mode trunk 0/24. So go interface fast Ethernet 0/24 and go switch port mode trunk. There we go. Now that one's done. So now we're going to go to PC2, and that's a .40 network, and FA 13 interface fast Ethernet 0/13. This thing is picky how you type things in. 0/13 switch port access VLAN 40. I think that was a 40. Double check. Yeah, that's a 40. Enter. Then alright, so now we're done with the third floor. We're going to go over here, go into the router, go enable conf t, and for the router we're going to go interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no IP address. Okay. Now the router for interface for fast Ethernet 0/0 for the router has no IP address. So then we're going to go interface fast Ethernet 0/0.4. Enter. That's for the config the sub interface, which means the sub interface is the interface within that interface. So it's the connection between the router and the second floor. It's the sub interface for that interface. We're going to fix that up now. So now we're going to go encapsulation .1Q40 invalid. Alright, so when you typed it in, I put the dot instead of spell the word dot, so that was my problem right there. .1Q40, that's the encapsulation. So now we got that in there. We're going to put the IP address for the router in here. So now we're going to put the IP address in and go IP address 192.168.40.1 255.255.255.0. Alright, now we got the IP address put in for that, and now completion is up to 100%. Excuse me. Now we're going to go to verify connectivity. We're going to select PC01A. Alright, and we're going to ping workstation PC01C. So ping workstation PC01C. Alright, get this IP address real quick, copy it, ping, and that's all I have for you on this activity of troubleshooting inter-VLAN routing issues. And my completion down here, it says in the bottom right corner of the instructions, completion 100%. Check results. Congratulations on completing this activity. And double check, yep, completion 100%. I hope you guys learned a little bit something about this video. I hope to see you guys, and I'll have more videos. Look for them. Thank you. Bye.